YouTube, what it do? Fade Master Low shit live and direct. Now, this is my off day. And you know, I'm now handling some stuff, getting some things handled. Mind you, I already put a placement order on for some new tools and stuff that I wanted to do to be able to help me get to the next level with my career and the vision that I have. So I'm driving. I was like, well, let me pull out my phone and check my email real quick, see if something came in yet. I've been waiting like 2 days. It ain't no long wait or nothing, but I had to wait about 2 days. So I was like, let me see, because I'm waiting for a certain package to come through. And boy, was I right. 5 minutes away from house, it told me that the package was dropped off 7 minutes ago. I said, oh, 5 minutes. That been the quickest 5-minute drop I have ever drove back to get to the crib, to get to this bad boy right here. The Beam Team XL. Let me get this focused in for y'all real quick. The Beam Team XL. And as you can see, like, I ain't gonna say I got the smallest head, but that ain't bigger than my head right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up for y'all, let y'all see it, a quick unboxing, and let you see it on the charger mat, and then show you, you know, just how it looks. So stay tuned. Fade Master Low coming right back. So here we have it, the Tune 45 Beam Team XL. Let's go ahead and open this box up. Open just like the first one, in a sense, very similar to the first one. This is the extra large. Just showing you how it comes. Oh, there it go. There it goes. Beam Team Cordless Compressor XL. Now this is the pamphlet far as how to. I feel like I'm gonna be pretty good with it off the rip. Because I used the old product, the first one, and I used it for about 2 months, I want to say, till I understood exactly how to work it before I bought like the real deal, the XL version. I ended up giving the first one away to one of my fellow barbers just because I want him to get his tools up too. But as you can see, it comes with some tools to make sure you keep your compressor clean. Now this is my first time looking at it too. I see it got the trigger. This is the trigger that people was talking about. Now y'all gonna have to give me 1 second because I can't hold this camera up. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you how it looks when it's all set up. You got the charger, you got the compressor, you got the trigger, and you got some cleaning implements. I'm gonna show you how it looks, and I'm gonna show you how it charges on the station. Now, I got it set all the way up. Seeing that it's fresh out the bag, seeing that it's fresh out the box, I should say. I gotta let it get some juice. Waiting on my power clip for my seniors. Well, these are 1919, still the seniors though. And whenever they drop the power clip for this, I'm gonna have that as well. And I got another pair of these babblers coming in with the power clip coming in as well. But I want y'all to check this out though. This is the main thing. Forget all the other stuff. It's all about this right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Official. I'm all the way in the game with it. You know, I had to keep y'all in tune. YouTube had to keep you in tune. It's definitely a good buy. I was actually, YouTube, I actually was pleased with the first one. I have a review on the first compressor, and I actually was very pleased with it. I do want to say that off the rip. I was very pleased with it. I think I used it for like a solid month, maybe 2 months. And I was like, yo, if this one is this good, I need to go ahead and get the XL. There was no point for me to keep waiting. And I was getting a little nervous because when I was going to check out the website, it was like it was getting sold out for the XL. So I was like, I ain't waiting till next year for the XL. I gotta get it. So when I seen it first pop up and available, there it go. I had to get it. So yeah, we here in the game. Thank you for watching this unboxing slash slight review. It's not a full review because I didn't use it, but it's more so an unboxing. And I want to make sure I make that clear. This is an unboxing of the 245 Beam Team Compressor XL. Boom. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Check me out. Fade Master Los here, live and direct. Also like, comment, and subscribe every single time. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. And we out.